Harmony Beach Park here in Montego Bay. Hello friends, welcome back to Jamaican Insider channel and welcome to the Harmony Beach Park. We're gonna explore it. Just trying to find a parking spot in the shade. Preferably, but unfortunately unable to find one. Let's see what it's like here. So here we are at the Harmony Beach Park, located on Howard Boulevard and the Montego Bay Hip Strip, also known as Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. It is free to enter, and the opening hours on Sundays to Thursdays is 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. and on Fridays and Saturdays 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. The beach is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The size of this property is 16 acres, and it cost approximately $1.3 billion to be constructed. It is approximately 7 minutes away from the Sangsters International Airport. Now let's look at some of the amenities here at the Harmony Beach Park. Just after entering the Harmony Beach Park, you may wash your hands at this station. The beach here is perfect for swimmers and non-swimmers alike, and of course there is a slide here for the youngsters to enjoy. Here we have a jogging trail on property. Also available are changing rooms with lockers. There is even a basketball court. The restrooms are well kept and comfortable. I know you may prefer to hear the waves, but it's a very windy day here. And that's it for today's video on Harmony Beach Park. If you're ever in the Montego Bay area, by all means, be sure to check it out. Until next time, do take care.